Someone forgot the onions in the soup.
It wasn't me.
Uh-oh.
How dare you?
How dare you? I am a food critic and I demand my food now. This is...
Oh, hello? Okay, I understand.
Who was it?
The food critic is shutting us down.
Restaurant shut down by food critic. Chef Mustachio's restaurant was shut down on Friday due to a food fight that resulted in hitting the world-famous food critic Gertrude McGrape with a tomato. Gertrude called the restaurant and told Chef Mustachio that the restaurant would be shut down because of their terrible behavior. Miss McGrape is starting a new restaurant at the old location. This will be Miss McGrape's 6th new restaurant this year. Bay Area thanks Miss McGrape for making our food community strive.